Okay. Oh, I can't record this. This is too funny. Okay, so here's the process of creating Reels videos for, say, a farming company. So, goats, there's a type of goats called fainting goats. And they make me laugh all the time. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get this. Oh, see if I can turn that off. Get this link, copy that link. You can also do it by. Oh, look at that! Can I save it without the TikTok logo? Does it have it on it? Here's the question. Download.mp4. Nope, it has the logo. So, what we want to do, see it has the logo popping over here. What we want to do is to go to TikTok downloader and snaptik.app. Ooh, my computer is being real slow. Anyways, we're going to download that. We're just going to wait for it. Where is it? Okay, here it is. Full HD. Close. I swear, it's like a confusing game of don't click the ads. Okay, so now we have our SnapTik right here. Now what we can do is go into Canva, right? So we've got Canva. We can go and click an Instagram story or a mobile video, right? So I did that. I created a blank story. And what we can do is now drag that in here. Now we just wait for it because it's got to upload. So this looks like it's a placeholder. Set the video as background. And we wait. Alright, so here I have built a few different scenes inside of Canva. And so what I've done is taken the video that we've uploaded here and I've split it into 3 different parts. And you'll see this is 6.6 seconds. This one goes from 6.6 to 12. And then this is the end. And so it's got little comments from the goats as they're falling over. And so we'll watch it. This is how I would split up scenes or maybe add different captions or emojis. Inside of Canva, you have these emoji titles really. And so you can do this. How do we do this? And let's ungroup them so I can move this. And then laugh. And let's group all these together and hand it in. There we go. And that's how I would create a 17-second Instagram reel that's funny. And yeah, so then you can add a page, and then maybe what we'll do is upload another file. So we've got videos for this company, logo reveals, full HD. See if this has sound, if we can use it. I'm going to see just at the start of this if that plays. No. Upload scenes. I don't have goats. Good sound. Let's go with this one. And we're going to put that right here. And what I do if I don't have enough space here with whatever asset it is, I'll just copy it and make it bigger. And that should work. And then this one will be in front, right? And technically you could edit this to have lower transparency or whatever, so then it's even similar. My graphics card isn't catching up, but let's go like this. And let's add a follow for more. More sugar. Let's go like this. Follow for more. Now let's change this to a very dark gray. Custom color, very dark gray. Wonder what? That's not, that can't be it. Really? Custom color. Whatever. Anyways, here we go. This has to be animated in. Animate. I would like that. And so let's go like this. We're going to share it to a Facebook page. Actually, let's just share and then download it. So that's going to save it as a video. And Canva is not the most advanced graphic software, but I guess it does the trick. So that's how I would separate it up, add little captions to it. So you use TikTok to find funny videos, so go to the top videos, you'll see